gonna unbox Sticky Roll Series 2. This is available in Daiso Japan, UAE for only 99 dirhams. It's a wearable, shareable sticker bracelets that you can pull, tear, and share. Has 320 stickers that you can use to make your necklaces and bracelets. You can make 6 bracelets and 2 necklaces. There's also a charm tag where you can put your favorite sticker. Inside, there is 12 mystery sticky rolls. It can be common, rare, super rare, or ultra rare. Let's see what's inside, everybody. Let's start. There's a manual inside. Let's open. Make 1 bracelet and 1 necklace. You can make 2 necklaces and look at the strings. And this is for the bracelets. And also, these are how the sticky rolls would look like. See? Let's try to make 1 bracelet first. First, pull it off. Then you take the string off. Then you remove one of this. Then you put all the beads that you need. I'm gonna make a rare one. So let's put 1 of them inside. See? Let's put 3 and then I'll put 1 sticky roll. We're done, guys. Look. And this is my sticky roll, guys. It has a tag where I can put my favorite sticky when I find my favorite sticky. And you can keep it forever with you. Let's get 1 sticker. This will be my sticker now. It's called Game On. So now let's put it here. Tag. Look, guys, I made a tag. See? Let's make a necklace. We also need this pendant and putting our favorite roll inside. So I'm gonna put this roll inside. This one. Now let's put it in the middle. Look, everybody, it can also spin. So let's start, and we're gonna do it like the bracelet. I'm done with my necklace and bracelet. Now let's open our mystery roll and see what we'll get. So let's open it. So first I take off this. Let's see. 3, 2, 1, go! First off, we got Bitty Boohoo. So Bitty Boohoo is in the creepies. Second of all, we got Leda Luda. There's lots more. So let me just set it up. So I got all of them from Creepy. Next time, I will buy a sticky book so I can stick all of these in it.